Hi Libra, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's going to be for the sign of Libra for this month. Let's see what is up for the sign of Libra when you're catching this reading 1 month from now. What is happening for the sign of Libra 1 month from now? How is this month going to be for the sign of Libra? If this resonates, check other readings on this channel. You can also um, check the playlist for pick a card readings and follow me on Instagram for more readings. I keep posting on shorts as well. You guys can contact me for a personal reading. Details are in the description. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Let's see what is up for the sign of Libra. So something about intuition here. You're trying to sharpen your intuition. Okay, Libra, you may be working on your will power कि आपको आखिर चाहिए क्या. दुनिया में तो 50 चीज़ें हैं, आपको क्या चाहिए. So there can be some dharma sankat of willpower happening over here. Well, keeping that aside, there's the overall energy from the bottom of the deck. The health card that's coming for you, Libra, is the Queen of Shells. This is you need to take care of your health. You need to take care of your health, emotional health. This is hormonal, emotional. This is fluids. This is moon. These days, Vitrupaksh is also going on, so that is also related with moon being close to Earth in a different way these days. So you can be having some, आपको ऐसा हो सकता है कि ड्रीम्स के थ्रू या फिर किसी वे में फैमिली के थ्रू कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग या हेल्थ के बारे में मिल रही हो. So somewhere you need to open up more space for your health emotionally. You need to work on your emotional and compassionate, hold space for your health. जहाँ पे आप health जो है अपने आप flower करे, आप उसके लिए space hold करो. This kind of situation is what you have to create for overall wellness. Let's see the relationship card that you're getting is, no, this is work situation. This is King of Feathers. This is victory and overall win of logic at work, logic, justice. This is like this has justice card energy. This is big change as well as timing का matter है यहाँ पे. Somewhere you coming across as the king, as the, this is good in work situation. Maybe you are in some way being, एक होता है ना शेर अपने शिकार का इंतजार कर रहा है कि वो खुद मेरे मुंह में आएगा. Somewhere you need to show your leadership. Okay, you are sitting on the throne, but you need to show your leadership also, Libra, in this month at work. Okay, you need to come out as somebody who is doing the correct thing and embody that inner well-being that you carry about work. In some way you're intelligent. आपने एक जर्नी की हुई है, आपको अपने डार्कनेस के ऊपर एक तरीके का होल्ड है. So you need to like शेर को शिकार करने की ज़रूरत है, is how I'm getting it. There is some way the lion needs to get out of their den. So getting out of men cave or women cave can also be an indication here that work on your dreams, Libra, actively for the kind of leader that you already are. You need to show that leadership to other peoples for them to follow you or understand how you're going to take this forward. Let's see the card for your relationships. It's the Sun card. It is happy times in your relationship. It is soulmate bondings. It is childhood memories and overall happiness, vitality, joy, and all those things. Sun card is here. This is one of the happiest cards. So what can I say? um, it, it is also hummingbird energies on the card. So again, this third eye intuition thing is shining in your overall Libra. You are coming out in light and you need to have correct relationship. This also indicates childhood healing, healing of childhood wounds, or connecting with your children, connecting with the child in you. Inner child healing, okay, is also the Sun card. So Libra, in some way you have to embody the vitality and joy that you're capable of, the overall theme. And you are doing great in different areas of your life, be it relationship, be it your work situation or your health. You're doing well in all spaces. You need to address that, maybe, or see that, acknowledge that, or at least I acknowledge it for you that you're doing great in different areas of life. You can put yourself out there. You can be happy. You're allowed to be happy. The song that I'm channeling here, there's a song coming through here, है तुझे भी इजाजत कर ले तू भी मोहब्बत, something like that. So there is this healing song. It's nice. It's giving that theme. Let's see the overall energy, Libra. Six of Wands. confidence, the overall energy. Maybe you're working on gaining confidence or putting triumph, success. This is in some way, this month kind of assures you success. Happy cards, victory cards. See, justice is falling in your lap, Libra. So let's see the advice here. 9 of Wands, power, perseverance. अपने बाउंड्रीज बना के रखिए किस तरीके से आपको इस सारे टाइम में आगे बढ़ना है. Keep work on your this is like somebody who has spent a lot of time in looking beautiful have forgotten their dark side. And this whole reading is like a balance between the light and the dark. Remember, sun is also a star, so you are like shining bright. Your leadership qualities need some refinement. Either you need to know who is in charge, or who you need to abide to if you have some fear, who you need to follow, who you need to understand. There is You need some guidance during this time, and that guidance is about power, is about how to preserve your energy, at the same time being able to do the leadership work that you're supposed to do. you know how to have that correct balance. And that learning about that power is coming from understanding of infinite mind, of connecting with something um, bigger than you, creation, connecting with the creator part of you, connecting with the willpower. What is it that you want? You have need to have clarity. This is about clarity as well. So Libra, I hope this resonates. Let me pull one oracle, क्योंकि आप मेरी बात तो सिर्फ मानते नहीं हो, आपको चाहिए कि कोई और कॉन्फर्मेशन भी आए. हम ऐसे ही कैसे मान लें, है ना? Just kidding, Libra. I'm literally, that was just me. When I'm not reading, I'm that kind of person. Romance and connection. So yeah, overall, it looks like that life is trying to teach you something about Venus, something about connecting with the connection of two different parts of you. This is romance and connection. This is yeah. I could get it. I could make out that this is you are आप एक journey पे हो. You are on a journey जहाँ पे आप you're learning principles of manifestation, how to ask and receive. How does this universe function? You can be an entrepreneur. You can be somebody trying to do their own thing. You want to know what is the way to ask and receive. How can I have the courage to work for this, that is, मैं इस काम के लिए खुद को घिसूँ क्यों? Why should I do anything at all? This can be the kind of root pattern. You do not have the courage to face that you have to, and to face what you are. And the result here, or the is universe giving you uh, time to connect with yourself, connect with the feminine side of you. Feminine side is actually the guidance. It's never, see, जैसे शेर हैं, दो शेर हैं आपकी रीडिंग में. There are two big cats in your reading. Both are conducted by, both are symbol of leadership, and both are controlled by the Devi herself. And so you need to know that feminine is always in charge. And when you're chasing love outside, you are neglecting the feminine within you. So Libra, you need to fall in love with yourself. You need to form a romance and connection from within yourself, and that requires you to um, make your home stronger, at the same time come out of your shell. Okay, it's expansion, getting past fear, getting past your fear of unknown, basically. तो क्या बाउंड्रीज हमारी लाइफ में ऐसी हैं जो हमने डर के कारण बनाई हुई हैं, और क्या हमारी बाउंड्रीज ऐसी हैं जो हमें सपोर्ट कर रही हैं? You need to differentiate between these two and choose the correct, so that you can build your life in a better way, in a better formation. Someone here is suffering from like stress, this bitter stress, bitterness, and that bitterness need to alchemize, need to transform, Libra. So whatever this bitterness, because this romance and connection, which is your oracle card, which is your angel card, this romance and connection, your oracle. So this does not come by force. This doesn't come by discipline. ये आपके रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निभाने से, आपके कर्तव्य पूरे हो जाने से लाइफ में रोमांस एंड कनेक्शन नहीं आ जाता है. लाइफ में रोमांस एंड कनेक्शन आता है जब आप में दम होता है. You have the courage to face life, you have the bravery to face life, you have the bravery to put your foot down, Libra, and tell the world who you are unapologetically. This is power and perseverance. While you are protecting that power, you are also exuding it. Just because you have power, you are not misusing it. Or just because you do not have power, you don't feel weak. So, higher principles are being talked here, Libra. Hmm? Ask and receive. This is your journey to understand manifestation. कि भाई चल क्या रहा है. Vishnu, connect with the avatar of Vishnu. You can read about him. अंडरस्टैंड कि सिद्धांत होते क्या है लाइफ में. एक होता है हम बार बार ऐसे बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स का यूज़ करें. एक हमें पता है कि संस्कार सिद्धांत की क्या है. ये संस्कार तो हमारे कर्म है लिटरली. सिद्धांत वो हैं उस जिन पे हम फॉल बैक करते हैं. एक होता है उसूल. उसूल इज नॉट वैल्यूज. वैल्यूज आर नॉट सिद्धांत. सिद्धांत मतलब द थिंग दैट विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू रिजल्ट. समथिंग दैट यू मास्टर्ड. It has siddha in the word itself. So you need to form your values. Basis of your values should be deeper into your soul, and that comes when you have connection with the soul, with the romance with life, when you are allowing the feminine in you to be the way she wants, the way she, you're respecting the feminine, following the feminine. जब ये शेर देवी को सुनेगा तभी तो आगे बढ़ेगा. तब वो खैर देवी का शेर तो उनके एक्सपेंशन, उनका एक expansion ही है. So somewhere you are in connection with your atma, but you forget to respect it, revere it, preserve it, preserve your power. So if you have made so far into this reading, Libra, leave a like or a comment. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in some other reading. Keep following me, Librans. I love you guys. Bye for now.